Assalamualaikum guys. So now we are going to learn about measures of dispersion. Okay, as I said previously that we have range, interquartile range, variance and standard deviation as measures of dispersion. So now we are going to focus on range and interquartile range first. Okay, so range, as you know, it's the largest value minus the smallest value in a data. Okay, look at example 3 here. Given a set of data 34, 23, 14, 26, 40, 25 and 20. So you must determine the smallest value and the largest value of the data. Then you subtract them, then you get the value for range. 40 minus 14 equals to 26. So the range is 26. Okay, so that one is a set of data. Here we have another set of data. Okay, it is in a table. Okay, score 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 3 students got score 2, 5 students got score 3, 6 students got score 4 and so on. Okay, so what's the largest value? So the largest value is the highest score. So the highest score is 8 and the lowest score is 2. So the range is 8 minus 2 equals to 6. Okay, so that's how you calculate the range. So next, how do you determine the interquartile range? So here are the steps. Okay, so you can read the steps later. Okay, so let's try doing this exercise. Okay, here is a set of data 4, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on until 23. So what's the value for range? Okay, range equals to, I don't like using red pen here, so let's erase this one. Range equals to maximum value minus minimum value. So it's 23 minus 4 equals to 19. Okay, so next, the interquartile range. Okay, interquartile range, IQR, meaning you have to first find the third quartile and then find the first quartile, subtract this 2. So what is first quartile? What is the third quartile? Okay, so here we have a data. Okay, how many numbers do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Do we have 11? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes. So when you have 11 numbers, 11 values, what's the value in the middle? It's the 6th value. Okay. 4, 4, 6, 8, 10, 13, 15, 16, 20, 22, 23. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is the middle value. We call it the median. So the median is 13. Okay, the symbol for median is Q2. Q2 stands for median, but usually we just call it median. Okay, second quartile, Q2. Okay, so how about the first quartile? We have divided the data into two parts. Okay, the one on the left side, okay, here, the one on the left side, we got to determine the middle value of the data. So it's the third value here. So here is the first quartile. The middle value, the middle position of the data. Then the middle position of the right data, it's the 20. So that one is the third quartile. Okay, you have a set of data, find the median, and then the one on the left side, the first part, you find the middle position of the data, that's the first quartile. The one on the right side, you find the middle position of the data, that's the third quartile. Okay, so the interquartile range is IQR equals to Q3 minus Q1. It's 20 minus 6 equals to 14. Okay, it is easier for us to find the interquartile range for this kind of data. What kind of data is this? This is when the number of data is odd, 11. Okay, when your number of data is odd, the first quartile and the third quartile can be identified directly from the data. Okay, so you can just subtract the 20 and 6, so you got 14. So how about the second example? 11, 14, 14, 7, 19, 20, 20, 20, 21, 22. So how many value do we have here? 3, 6, 9. 9 values. So the median is the one in the middle. So the data is already in ascending order. So if you have the data which are not in order, so you must first arrange the data. It can be ascending or descending, it doesn't matter. So here 11, 14, 14, 17, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22. The one in the middle is number 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is the median. Okay, here is the median. So the one on the left. So what's the middle position? What's the data in the middle position? The middle position is somewhere here. Somewhere here. So it's the average of 14 and 14. So the Q1 is 14 plus 14 over 2 equals to 14. Okay. So the second one, the third quartile. So look at the data on the right side. So find the data in the middle position. The middle position is there. So it's the average of 20 and 21. So the Q3, the third quartile, is 20 plus 21 over 2 equals to 20.5. Okay. So the interquartile range equals to the third quartile minus the first quartile equals to 20.5 minus 14 equals to 6.5. That's the interquartile range. What is the range? The range is much simpler. Just look for the maximum value and the minimum value. So 22 minus 11 equals to 11. So the range is 11. The interquartile range is 6.5. Okay. So the first quartile is also known as lower quartile, while the third quartile is also known as upper quartile. So let me write here, Q1 is the first quartile, also known as lower quartile. Okay. Q3 is the third quartile, also known as upper quartile. Okay. So median is the value in the middle when a set of data is arranged in ascending or descending order. So I hope you can understand the first part of measures of dispersion. So later we will continue on variation and standard deviation. Okay, thank you.